Best Autopilot website experts for passive income? Looking to set up a website that generates passive income on Autopilot? From e-commerce to affiliate marketing, these professionals will guide you every step of the way. Check out the link in the description for an amazing Fiverr gig that has you covered. Creator 1 Mohammed Al Hassan. This expert specializes in setting up stores, handling everything from product sourcing to logistics. Key features: expert in product sourcing and inventory management, hands-off order fulfillment and shipping. Creator 2 Rakibul Islam. They'll help you select profitable products, optimize your site, and maximize your passive income potential. Key features: specializes in high-converting affiliate websites, offers guidance on SEO and content strategies. Creator 3 Hazen Mahmood. This professional can help you set up a print-on-demand business. Key features: full setup of your online store and product listings. Ideal for artists or entrepreneurs with creative ideas. Creator 4 Rabiul Awwal. You won't have to worry about inventory or shipping logistics, making it a great hands-off way to earn passive income. Key features: skilled in Shopify, WooCommerce, and Oberlo integrations, suitable for those wanting a fully automated e-commerce solution. Creator 5 Fatima Marar. This expert will guide you through the process of selling your work on stock photography platforms. Key features: expertise in platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Great for photographers looking to monetize their work. These talented professionals can help you build a solid foundation for passive income by setting up websites and systems that work around the clock. Choose the one that fits your goals and start earning passively today. Check out the link in the description to hire one now.